time using the Nostalgia My Mini 7 Egg Cooker. So this is it. See? I haven't even opened it yet. And I always use Nellie's free range eggs. Right here. 24 pack. I get it from BJ's. So I think it's like $5.99 or $6.99. Or I also buy Pete and Jerry's also. So the color of the egg yolk is different, because you know when you buy the regular eggs, they're yellow, but they're like a light yellow. But these eggs, Nellie's and Pete and Jerry's, they're yellow. The yolk is like a rich yellow. So with this, it even has like a egg white separator tool, because I buy egg whites from Pete and Jerry in the carton. But with this, you're able to do that, and you're able to do omelets and scrambled eggs, pot stickers, steamed vegetables, poached eggs. So you're able to do that with this little tool, and it takes 7 eggs. So let's see how this works.
And you put this on, and then you put this in.
We're trying to assemble this thing,
and then you close it.
but don't you have to put the eggs in? How you put the eggs? I'm gonna cook eggs now.
In the white bucket.
Put the eggs in a white bucket.
Yes.
Okay, see the eggs right there. I'm not cooking 7 eggs. I just need 4. I thought 7 eggs fit in there. I don't think you're supposed to put that in that white thing, Isabel. You see how they have it out? There's no white thing in there. Because it's supposed to fit 7 eggs. See, look, it's supposed to be on top of here. Something. This is for something else.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see? Okay, now that's how you do it. And I guess you put the water in here. Because you're going to ask people for eggs anyway.
Set the unit on a dry surface.
You have to test it out.
When a medium hard-boiled eggs, you pour it's hard boiled, and you pour the water in.
So the hard boiled, it have like a place that show you if you want hard boil or soft boil or whatever?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
So you turn it on.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you add the plate on. Then you put the longer side facing up.
Don't crack the egg now. So it hold like 7 eggs.
Then take the piercing tool and you pierce them all.
You have to pierce them?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. How does it pierce this?
I know. I think you pierce it after.
Yeah, I think so.
You almost cracked the eggs. Oh my goodness. It's on already. Let's cover it. I think you crack it after, right? Hold on, technical difficulties. Okay, with this you have to pierce the stuff first. And okay, I think that one is pierced. See? Let me take a look. See, you have to put a hole in it. Okay, keep going. I guess I'm gonna use this sometimes. So all I need to do, like before this, I just put the eggs in the pot and then boil it. I'll see the difference. Appears.
No, it is.
I guess it has to pierce, so that's the only way for it to cook.
Mm-hmm.
And that one pierce. But you have to do all of this. You can't cut on this egg cooker. You have to do all this before you cut on the egg cooker. We cut it on before. Don't do that. I think that one cracked.
Oh my god.
It cracked more?
Yeah, a little.
A little. See, so all of them have a little crack in it. See? Okay, so now we have everything cracked. Because this is supposed to peel the eggs perfectly each time. We gonna see.
Okay. Now you turn it on and you wait for 14 minutes.
Okay, so it's supposed to take 14 minutes. So we have a timer on the microwave for 14 minutes. Focus, okay? So we put timer on the microwave for 14 minutes. This is not going to be 14 minutes, so we're going to... I'm going to stop it. That's bubbling up.
Now
See how it's boiling? Boiling there. And then it's where you pierced it is cooking. This is already have all this whatever mist foam, I don't know what they call it. So this is my mini egg cooking. So see, it's, well, that's the timer. So it's already been, timer's going. So this is how it's looking, if you could even see. Okay, look far back how it's bubbling. All that egg white part on the top. So it's 4 minutes and counting left. So I think it's almost time. Oh, it even makes noise. Oh, okay. Turn it off. So I guess it's done before 14 minutes.
No, we put the 14 minutes after we close it, so technically.
Oh, okay. So let's see.
1,
That's not hot?
2, hiya!
Look how they look. I know, it's so weird. So used to it looking. These better taste good. I mean, it better crack, peel good.
It says next to put it in an ice cold tray for 10 minutes. But no one's got time to be putting this for 10 minutes. So we're just going to take it, put it in a bowl. Ooh. Ouch.
Oh my goodness. Ain't that what you're supposed to be using this for? No?
No.
Oh, that's the egg. I didn't even look at it. Yeah, I'll try it. Since it's hot. Oh, you have to be quick too. Yeah, you look. I think that's how you're supposed to do it.
No, it's not. But
well, that's the easiest way though. Ooh, look at that one. It's getting burned. So we put in some water for a few minutes, and then we're gonna see if it peels perfectly. Now we're gonna see if it peels perfectly. Just use a spoon. Wow, you got one that's already cracked. Now, if it doesn't work, probably because we didn't put in cold water. We just put in cold water. Put the stuff in there. Okay, ready, finish peeling. See how yellow it is? That's the difference when you buy those free-range eggs. Not to say that it's 100% better, but the egg yolk is a different color. The yellow is much richer. So it looked like it peels. Good. Maybe it would be different with ice cold. Next time I'll try it with ice cold, see if there's a difference. But it looked like it's peeled. It peels. But she just left this thing over here. Yeah, but it peels nice. There's a difference when you peel it, in the pot, in a smaller pot than this. So this is Roland in another video, another product review video. So we'll see you in another video. Thank you.